Best car buffers. Are you looking for the best car buffers? In this video we will look at 5 of the best car buffers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DEWALT DWP849X Variable Speed Polisher. The DEWALT DWP849X Buffer Polisher is a high-performance, corded tool designed for professional-grade polishing and buffing applications. Featuring a 12-amp motor, this buffer delivers robust power to handle a variety of tasks, from polishing to compounding. The tool is built for heavy-duty use, providing consistent performance with a variable speed dial that allows users to adjust the speed from 0 to 3,500 RPM, offering flexibility for different materials and projects. The 7-inch to 9-inch backing plate ensures a large surface area, making it ideal for larger jobs and more efficient coverage when polishing vehicles, boats, or other surfaces. Its ergonomic design provides comfort during extended use, featuring a rubber overmold grip that reduces vibrations and enhances control, allowing users to achieve better results with less fatigue. This buffer polisher is equipped with heat-treated precision-cut gears, ensuring long-lasting durability and smooth operation even under heavy load. The ball-bearing construction enhances reliability, while the internal fan system keeps the motor cool, preventing overheating during extended periods of use. The DWP849X is designed with safety in mind, featuring a 2-position side handle for added control and versatility, making it suitable for both left and right-handed users. The corded power supply ensures a constant flow of energy, eliminating the need to worry about battery life, providing uninterrupted operation. Overall, the DEWALT DWP849X Buffer Polisher is a durable, versatile, and powerful tool suitable for professional and DIY enthusiasts alike. It is an excellent choice for those looking for a high-quality buffer polisher that delivers superior results on a variety of surfaces with ease and precision. Number 2. WEN948 Variable Speed Polisher. The WEN948 10-amp Variable Speed Polisher is a versatile and powerful tool designed for polishing, buffing, and finishing applications. With a 10-amp motor, it delivers strong performance for a variety of tasks, making it suitable for automotive detailing, boat polishing, and other surface restoration jobs. This polisher features a 7-inch backing plate, offering a large surface area for faster and more efficient work on large projects. One of the standout features of the WEN948 is its variable speed control, which allows users to adjust the speed between 600 and 3,500 RPM, providing the flexibility to tackle different materials and achieve precise results. The digital readout allows users to easily monitor and adjust the speed, ensuring consistency and accuracy during the polishing process. This feature is particularly useful when working with delicate surfaces that require a specific speed range for optimal results. The ergonomic design of the WEN948 makes it comfortable to use for extended periods. It comes with a side handle that can be mounted on either side for added control and comfort, reducing hand fatigue during prolonged use. The rubberized grip further enhances comfort and ensures a secure hold while operating the polisher. For safety and durability, the WEN948 features heat-treated, precision-cut gears and ball-bearing construction for smooth, reliable operation. The internal fan system helps to keep the motor cool during extended use, preventing overheating. Overall, the WEN948 10-amp Variable Speed Polisher is an excellent choice for users looking for a powerful, user-friendly tool that delivers high-quality polishing results with easy speed adjustments and a reliable, durable design. Number 3. Torq Torq22D Variable Speed Polisher. The Chemical Guys Torq BUF502X Torq22D Random Orbital Polisher is a professional-grade tool designed for high-performance polishing and detailing applications. Featuring a powerful 1000-watt motor, the Torq22D is equipped to handle heavy-duty jobs, delivering exceptional results on a variety of surfaces, including cars, boats, and motorcycles. The random orbital action ensures smooth, swirl-free finishes by preventing heat buildup and minimizing the risk of damage to delicate surfaces. This polisher comes with a dual-action motion, meaning it mimics the natural movement of hand polishing, providing optimal results without causing harm to paintwork. The 22mm throw provides more coverage per pass, making it quicker and more efficient compared to standard polishers. The variable speed control allows users to adjust the speed between 1,800 and 4,800 RPM, offering flexibility for various polishing needs, from cutting and compounding to finishing and waxing. Designed for comfort and ease of use, the ergonomic handle and soft touch grip minimize vibration and reduce hand fatigue, allowing for extended use without discomfort. The side handle is adjustable, offering additional control and versatility for both left and right-handed users. Safety and durability are built into the design with heat-treated precision gears and an internal fan system that keeps the motor cool during prolonged use, preventing overheating. The lightweight construction and balanced design make the Torq 22D easy to handle, ensuring optimal control and accuracy during operation. Overall, the Chemical Guys Torq BUF 502X Torq 22D Random Orbital Polisher is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a high-performance, reliable, and user-friendly polisher for both professional and DIY applications. Its combination of power, precision, and comfort makes it ideal for achieving a flawless, mirror-like finish on a variety of surfaces. Number 4. BLACK+DECKER WP900 Polisher. The BLACK+DECKER WP900 6-inch buffer polisher is a compact and versatile tool designed for polishing and buffing applications, making it ideal for automotive detailing and home use. This orbital polisher delivers reliable performance, offering a smooth, swirl-free finish on a variety of surfaces, such as car exteriors, boats, and motorcycles. It features a 6-inch pad, providing sufficient surface area for efficient work while maintaining control and maneuverability, especially in tight or hard-to-reach areas. The variable speed dial allows users to adjust the speed, ranging from 0 to 4,400 orbits per minute, offering flexibility for different tasks. The lower speeds are great for delicate surfaces, while higher speeds can be used for more aggressive polishing, such as removing oxidation or scratches. The orbital motion of the polisher helps reduce the risk of damaging the surface, providing a smoother finish compared to rotary polishers. The WP900 comes equipped with both wool and foam bonnets, which provide versatility depending on the type of polishing required. The wool bonnet is ideal for heavy-duty compounding and cutting, while the foam bonnet is best suited for lighter polishing and waxing, allowing users to achieve a high-gloss finish. The bonnet change is quick and easy, ensuring seamless transitions between tasks. For comfort and ease of use, the ergonomic design features a soft grip handle, reducing vibration and improving control during prolonged use. The lightweight construction of the polisher enhances maneuverability, making it user-friendly for both beginners and professionals. Overall, the BLACK+DECKER WP900 6-inch buffer polisher is an excellent option for those seeking a reliable, budget-friendly, and easy-to-use polisher for a variety of polishing tasks, delivering professional-level results with minimal effort. Number 5. Porter Cable 7424XP Variable Speed Polisher. The Porter Cable 7424XP car polisher and buffer is a versatile, high-performance tool designed for automotive detailing and surface finishing. The 6-inch orbital polisher is ideal for a range of tasks, from polishing and buffing to compounding and waxing, delivering professional-grade results for both beginners and experienced users. It features a variable speed dial that allows users to adjust speeds from 2,500 to 6,800 orbits per minute, providing flexibility for different tasks. Lower speeds are ideal for waxing and delicate polishing, while higher speeds are suited for more aggressive cutting and removing imperfections. The orbital action of the 7424XP minimizes the risk of damaging the surface, creating a smooth, swirl-free finish. It also helps to distribute the pressure evenly across the pad, ensuring more consistent results with reduced user fatigue. The polisher is equipped with a powerful 4.5 amp motor, offering plenty of strength to handle tough polishing jobs without slowing down. For user comfort, the ergonomic design features a soft grip handle that reduces vibrations and ensures greater control during use. The polisher is lightweight and balanced, which makes it easy to maneuver and control, even during extended polishing sessions. The two-position side handle adds to the versatility, allowing users to adjust the tool for either left or right-handed use. The Porter Cable 7424XP also features durable construction with high-quality bearings for long-lasting performance. It is compatible with a variety of polishing and buffing pads, giving users the flexibility to choose the right tools for their specific needs. Overall, the Porter Cable 7424XP is a reliable, easy-to-use orbital polisher that provides excellent results on a variety of surfaces, making it a great option for car enthusiasts and professionals alike.